Hi everyone! If you want to create a full-featured quiz website, something that lets users register, log in, track their statistics, have personalized user dashboards, and take part in loads of fun and challenging quizzes, then a Quizmaker plugin with its powerful add-ons would be an ideal solution for you. Here you can see how beautifully I have displayed the quizzes of my website in a grid view. We can click on any of these links for any of these quizzes and pass the quiz directly from this page. For example, let's check the movie quiz. We click on it. Here we can click on a start button and start filling the answer options. Here you can see the quiz I have created with different question types. As I'm already registered and logged into the website, I can see personalized user dashboard available only for me. Here I can see the activity per day, like how many quizzes I have passed during the quiz. On a results page, I can see information about the quiz, username, end date, duration, score, start date, etc. On a results by quiz page, I can see information and statistics about the quiz, particularly like about particular quizzes. For example, we can check the information about the English grammar quiz. Here you can see the username, start and end dates, duration, score, and what is great is that I can download the certificate right from the user dashboard just by clicking on a download button. I can view it here. Also here I can click on the details button and check information about the quiz, the questions it includes, the correct answers, and the answers I provided during the quiz. Also I can export these details to PDF and, for example, keep this information in my computer so that I can access it anytime I want. Then we can also check the best score. Here we will need to choose the mode and choose the quiz. And I will check what is my best score in percentage and in points. And on a progress page, again, we will need to select the mode, the quiz, and check the progress I have made during the time. So you can have full statistics about the quizzes you have passed and the progress you have made during time. Let's go to the dashboard so that I can show you how you can achieve this on your website. Now I'm on my WordPress website where I have already installed the Quizmaker Pro version. Also, I have installed the User Registration and Login Addon, Advanced Display Quizzes Addon, and also the Advanced User Dashboard Addon, with the help of which we will achieve the scenario you have seen in the introduction part of the video. You can see on the quizzes page I have created different advanced quizzes. I will also leave the YouTube video tutorial on how to create quizzes easily with the help of the Quizmaker plugin, so you can learn the steps to create your own quizzes. At first, we will learn how to create user registration and login pages on your website so that the students or your users can enter your website, register or log in there if they already have accounts, and access the quizzes you have created and their user dashboards accordingly. So for that, we'll need to go to the user registration and login add-on. It has been added in the menu of the Quizmaker plugin. We will click on it. Here is the user registration and login add-on. As you can see, the plugin gives shortcodes for both login page and also the registration page. All you need to do is to copy the shortcode, then head to your desired post or a page, add a new one, and insert the shortcode there. I have already inserted the login form into one of our posts. So let's go to the all post page. Here you can see the user login page, and I have inserted the shortcode here. Let's check it out. As I'm already logged in, I see this message. Let's log out and check how the login page looks like when I'm viewing it in an incognito mode. Here is the login form. If I'm not logged into the website, I will need to enter my username and password. What is great about the user registration and login add-on is that you can click on these icons and customize any text you want, any information you want. For example, here we can write don't have an account yet, for example, register here. Also, you can customize the background color, for example, like this. You can change the main color of the buttons, like this. Text color also can be changed accordingly, according to your needs. You can also change the login container width. And here we have come up to the most important part, which is registration link and success login redirect link. I have already provided the links here. The first one is the registration link. This is where the users will be redirected if they click on a register here button on the front end. For example, when the users want to log into your website but they don't have an account yet, and they click on a register here button to create a new account, they will be redirected to this page, to the page you have configured here and inserted here. So I have inserted the URL of the user registration form here so that those who don't have an account can click on the register here button and be redirected to the registration page and create an account there. And here you can provide a success login redirect link. This is the URL where the users will be redirected to when they successfully log in to your website. So let's save the changes we have made and check how the form looks like on the front end. If we already have an account and we will need to log in here, we will need to fill in the username and password and click on the login button. But if we don't have an account yet, we will click on a register here button. And now we are redirected to the page I have configured here for this registration link input. After successfully logging into the website, we will be redirected to the quizzes page I have displayed during the first part of the video in the introduction part. So let's check it quickly. Also here you can click on a remember me button so that you will not have to fill in your details each time when you're trying to log into your account. We can click on a login button. So once we log into our account, we're redirected to this page where we can access all the quizzes. If you want, instead of the quizzes page, you can also insert the URL of the page where the User Dashboard Addon shortcode is inserted so that the users can access their user dashboards and see their statistics right after they log in or register on your account on your website. As we're done with the login form, let's quickly check the registration form as well. The settings are the same for the registration form as well. You can customize them the way you want. You can also change the colors if you want. And here, vice versa, I have inserted the login link here so that if the users open the registration form and they already have an account, they can click on the login here button and be redirected to the login page and fill in their credentials and log into the website. And for the success registration redirect link, I have specified the quizzes page so that the new users who register on the website can be redirected to the quizzes page the admin of the website has created right after creating a new account. I have inserted the registration form shortcode in any of the posts on our website, so let's check it out quickly. We go to the posts, all posts, and here find the user registration page with a shortcode. Let's check it out. Again, as we are already registered on this website, we can see you are already registered text, but let's check it out with an incognito mode where we are not registered yet on the website. Here how the form looks like if we're not registered. We will need to fill in the details and click on the register button to register on the website. Also here, if we have already created an account, we can click on the login here button, fill in the details and log into our account as I have specified in the settings. So let's create a new account together. So as you can see, we are redirected to the quizzes page as I have already specified in the settings for the user registration form as well. So I guess that's all about the user registration add-on. Let's move forward. So now let's discuss how to create user dashboard for the website users so they can log into the website and get statistics about their past quizzes, get their details like what question they answered correctly or not. They can see the details about their answers during the quiz. Also, they can download the certificates right from their user dashboards. And to create a user dashboard, you will need to have the User Dashboard Addon installed and activated on your website. So we can go to the General Settings page here, then Shortcodes, and scroll down to the end. And here you can see the Advanced User Dashboard Settings, which is responsible for creating private user dashboards for the website visitors. In the description of this video tutorial, I will surely leave the links to both the user registration and login add-on and advanced user dashboard settings add-ons, so you can check the details about the add-ons one by one and get more insights about the add-ons. The advanced user dashboard settings is very easy to use, and all you need to do is to copy the shortcode, then head to the posts, add new post here, and insert the shortcode in a post. And here you will need to write a title, user dashboard, and publish the post. Here you can see activity per day, results by quiz. You can select a quiz and check its results with a certificate, etc. The best score for the user, like with points or percentage, whatever you prefer. You can click on check, and the progress accordingly, for example like this. Let's go to the dashboard. Here you can make a sorting between the results section table columns and decide which of them you want to display on the front end and which of them you want to hide. You will need to click tick and untick your desired table columns, for example like this. Also, you can reorder them. For example, if you want to place the start date at the beginning, you can easily do it without any difficulties. And here you can customize the table columns for the results by quiz section. Here you can see that a table column starts with username, but as we have changed them, let's save the changes here and check what happens there. You can see the table columns start with the start date and the quiz name, and then the remaining table columns as we have specified on the dashboard here for the advanced user dashboard. You can do the same for the results by quiz section as well. You can tick and untick your desired table columns. You can also see you can have a certificate and details, which is quite important for the user dashboard. If you have passed the quizzes, you can easily download your certificate from your user dashboard right away, and also you can see details and export a PDF of your details. Let's quickly check them on the front end. Here you can see the information about the quiz. You can click and download the certificate and view it like this. And also you can click and view the details about the quiz, what questions the quiz included, what questions you have answered correctly and incorrectly. Also you can click and export the details to PDF. And here you can choose how to display quiz results. You can either display by current users' quizzes or by all quizzes. If you tick this checkbox, then you can display the results for only those quizzes the current user has passed. And for this, you can display the results for all quizzes. So as you can see, the user can have a fully advanced user dashboard on your website where they can get information and statistics about their activity, about their best score, progress. They can download their certificates. They can see the details about the past quizzes and many more. So this is an advanced feature you will need to have on your website if you are using a QuizMaker plugin. Once we have already understood how to create a user registration and login form so that the users can register and log into your website, then we have learned how to insert the user dashboard on your website so that the users can register and log in and then get access to the user dashboard to check their statistics and progress. Let's understand how we can beautifully display the quizzes on your website so that the users can find them easily and pass them quickly. And for that, we will need to use the Advanced Display Quizzes Addon. I will also include the link to the Advanced Display Quizzes Addon in the description of this video tutorial so that you can find the add-on and check it more detailed information about it. So in this part of the video, I will show you how to create such a beautiful page with the quizzes you have created so that you can categorize them and your users can find their desired quiz very quickly. So let's go back to the dashboard. We will need to go to the general settings and shortcode page again. Then we can scroll up. And here you can see the add-on, the Advanced Display Quizzes Addon, added in 3 different views, in a table view, list view, and also image view. In the first part of the video and just now, I have used the image view for the quizzes URLs. I have displayed the quizzes in image view, but you can also display them in a list view so that quizzes can be displayed under one another. And also you can choose the table view for them, so they can be displayed in table formatting. All you need to do is to copy the shortcode, then make customizations in them. For example, you can choose the ordering for the table view. You can choose ascending, descending, or random ordering. Like you can display the earliest created quizzes first or the latest created ones, or you can choose the random ordering and they will be displayed in random order every time the user refreshes the page. Also, what is great is that you can display the quizzes by categories on the front end. That will make the process of finding their desired quizzes more easily. Here you will need to copy and paste the shortcode and make customizations in the shortcode the way you like. You can display either by all quizzes or quiz category, and you can order by ascending, descending, and random. This was for the table view. The same goes for the list view. You will need to copy and paste the shortcode in your desired page or a post, and then make the customizations the way you want. You can find the instructions on how to use the shortcode and, for example, what each attribute of the shortcode means here in a very beautiful way. For this video particularly, I have used the quizzes URLs image view so that I can display the images for the quizzes. Let's, for example, copy this shortcode and paste it to our desired post. For that, we will need to go to the post, add new post. Here we will need to insert the shortcode and write a title, for example, quizzes in image view. Here we can choose to display all quizzes, so we will just need to remove this part. And we choose the layout as grid. We can also choose the layout as list. And then we can publish our post and view it. And here you can see all the quizzes we have created in a very beautiful way. You can see each quiz has its own link. You can click on any of the links and pass the quiz. For example, we can click on geography quiz and pass it. It is made very easy. So here you will need to consider one important aspect. If you want the quiz names have the URL format, like the users can click on these links and pass the quiz directly from this page, then you will need to make one setting configuration in each of these quizzes. Let me show you this. We will need to go back to the dashboard. Here we will need to go to the quizzes. Choose our desired quiz. For example, let it be the movie quiz. Then go to the settings and scroll down a little bit. Here you can see the quiz display page URL feature. Here you will need to provide the URL where the given quiz shortcode is located. For example, if you copy the shortcode, then go to the posts, add a new post, and insert your shortcode here, like this. Publish the post. You will need to copy the post link, like this. Then go to the dashboard settings, quiz display page URL here. And you will need to insert the URL of the post where the given quiz is located, so that you can achieve the result we have for our quizzes page. After you are done, you can save the changes on the dashboard. So that was all about creating a fully functional quiz website where users can register, log in, see their user dashboards, statistics about quizzes, their progress, and also display the quizzes in a very beautiful way like we did. We will leave all the helpful links and video tutorials in the description of this video so you can access them easily and achieve this result like I achieved. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and in the comments below you can ask any questions you have. See you in the next video. Bye!